Pooja, are you there? Guys, is Pooja a part of this call? Do you know? Wait. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why aren't you telling me then? I'm so sorry. I was facing technical issues. Well, it was not letting me log in. Just give me 1 second. Let me just inform Pooja that I'm able to join. Bear with me.
Hi, ma'am. I'm in the meeting.
Okay, Pooja. So I downloaded Zoom then and I'm able to join now. Okay. Pooja, do you want to set expectations? Are we keeping our cameras on? Anything that you want to inform the participants before we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Hi, everyone. Uh, as this is a communication course for us, interview preparation, so we have to on our cameras. It's mandatory for your certification also. We will keep a record of that, and it's compulsory to attend all the sessions live. Attending recording sessions is not allowed for this session, this particular course. And if anyone have any question regarding recordings and other questions like that other than the course, then you can reach out to me or can ask in the session in the last 5 minutes. Don't ask these questions to ma'am. She won't
Hmm.
be able to answer that.
Okay. Thank you, Pooja. All right, guys. So as you can see, my name is Rajni. I will be your trainer for the interview sessions and also some upcoming sessions after this. So I don't know if you have signed up for that, but basically I'll be your trainer for the next 6 sessions. Manpreet is saying that she has some network issues, so she needs 15 minutes. Guys, just letting you know, please inform your friends also that for these sessions we will be keeping our video cameras on, because a big part of these sessions would also be your practice. So we will practice your interview preparation and basically mock interviews. So obviously we cannot do that without your cameras being on. So can we switch on the cameras, everyone? Yeah, let's turn on the cameras. And if you need a couple of minutes to fix your face, fix your clothes, or change your location, please let me know that you need that time. Do you need a couple of minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Guys, take 2 minutes. I will wait for 2 minutes and you guys can sit somewhere nice. Get up from your bed. If you were napping, sleeping, laying down, you can get up, go find a chair, or you can even sit on your sofa, guys. That's absolutely fine. If you only have your bed, you can sit on your bed also, that's fine. And you don't have to be formally dressed. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but at least for today, we can ignore all of that. Can we all please switch on the cameras, and I will give you a couple of minutes to do that. Has anyone attended any of my sessions before this? Khushi, you have? I feel.
No, ma'am.
No? Anybody here who has attended my sessions earlier? Any earlier sessions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anshika has. Disha has. Anybody else? Apart from Anshika, okay, Priyanshu. Oh, yeah, I remember Priyanshu. Okay, anybody else who's attended my sessions before? You can also unmute yourselves, guys. Don't depend on chat so much. Just unmute yourselves and say, yes, I have.
Yes,
Anybody else?
ma'am. I have.
Nidhi has. Okay. Anyone else? Good evening, Priyanshu. Good evening. Okay, very nice. All right, so Pooja has turned on her camera. I have. Saloni also, yes, I remember Saloni. Okay, guys, let's turn on the cameras. And I actually struggled a lot to get on this call. I don't know why Zoom was giving me a tough time. Nitesh has also attended my sessions. So a lot of you already know me and you know how I train and my training style and all of that. So that really helps because we know each other. Very good, Akansha. And Bobby, nice name, Bobby. Okay, let's turn the cameras on, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, Bobby. Hi, Nitin. Good to see you. Guys, listen. These sessions are to prepare you for your interviews, for your placements, and for you to start your careers. Nobody will ask you so many times to turn on your cameras. When you are attending a meeting, you are just expected to have your cameras on and for you to be ready for a meeting. So please get out of this college mindset and the student mindset that you can, just join a meeting and eat your chips and you can lay down to chat with your friends, WhatsApping, all that. You can't do that. Okay. Now your life will change, and this is why we are doing these sessions, to prepare you for a professional life. When you are attending a meeting, you are supposed to turn your cameras on. You are supposed to inform your family and friends that don't disturb me, I'm going to be in a meeting for the next 1.5 hours. So these are just some expectations that you should know now. So if you didn't know, I will inform you. That's okay. Since you've never worked before, I will tell you these things. So going forward, when we attend these training sessions, these are corporate training sessions. These are not your college sessions. I am preparing you for your professional corporate life now. So I will treat you like a professional now. And if you want to be a professional, then you need to join the call on time. I didn't do that today, but I had technical reasons. I'm on my way. Okay, Rehana, yes, you can do it after 20 minutes, but guys, please take these sessions seriously. If you knew you had a session at 6:45, why weren't you home? Why weren't you home? Why weren't you ready? So just letting you know that if you do this at your workplace, after you get a job, if you do this, you will get a warning letter. You'll be put on, disciplining plan of action, and you can get fired for these things. So please take this seriously, take this session seriously. Sunstone is really investing in preparing you guys for your jobs. Okay, oh, okay, that's why. What class time? Do you go to some coaching class, Rehana? You can unmute yourself also, by the way. She's taking so much time to type, but she will not. Okay, for the university physical class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. So are you going from the class to your room?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine, Rihanna. You can also turn on your camera on the way. We can see the scenery while you walk. Or you can get to your room and turn on your camera. All right. Okay, guys. So just letting you know that I am probably slightly different from the rest of your instructors and teachers and facilitators, because I am essentially a corporate trainer, which means that I work with corporates. I work with all the top multinational corporations in India and in the world. So I am actually an international trainer also. So I have trained for a few years. I've trained for a Japanese company. I've trained the Japanese employees of a company. For one company, I have trained their American employees. And at the moment, along with you, I'm working with another company where we have participants joining from across the world, from US, from Africa, from Asia. So we have all different kinds of participants. So I am actually an international corporate trainer. Sunstone is really, really investing in your careers. Please take it seriously. Please be grateful that that they found somebody who has worked with corporates. So I have worked with corporates. Does anyone want to guess how many years? Okay, let's just guess. How many years of experience do you think I have working with corporates?
10 years.
10 years. Okay, Tanya. And guys, please don't type. Okay, just unmute yourselves and just talk.
12
10
to
years.
15 years.
10 years. Kushi said 10 years. Okay. Who was saying something?
13.
12 to 15 years.
8 to 10 years, ma'am.
8 to 10 years. Okay. Was it Mudassir? Is Mudassir a part of this? Oh, hi, Mudassir. Good to see you again. Can you turn on your camera?
5 to 6 years, ma'am.
5 to 6 years. Priyanshu.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello. I'm good. Okay, guys, I will take this as a compliment. All of you who are saying 5 to 6 years, 8 years, 10 years, I'll take it as a compliment. But I have 20 years of experience. So I have been working with corporates, multinational. Yeah, so I've been working for 20 years and I have been training for 15 years. Now, what I'm doing with you is sort of a part of kind of a workshop or an intervention which is called Campus to Corporate, which basically means that I am bridging the gap between your campus life to your corporate life. So Aryan is asking me when you start teaching, ma'am. When did you start teaching? So I started training in 2009. That's when I started training as a corporate trainer, but I was working in corporates from 2005. So now that we are in 2025, I've been working for 20 years and I have been training for 15 years. And I do something called Campus to Corporate, which is what I'm doing with you. This is your transition from college to corporate. It's very different. In college, it's very different. In corporate, it's very different. In college, you guys are very used to somebody hammering you all the time. Karo, 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 camera on, karo, camera on, karo, camera on, karo. In office, nobody is going to do that. They will not even tell you to turn your camera on. They just expect you to know. And if you don't, then they'll write an email to you. And when an email is written, this is just telling you FYI, in your corporate life, if an email is written, it is documented proof. So something gets documented that you had a behavioral issue and you did not perform according to, corporate etiquette, and it gets documented. Then later on, when your performance is getting assessed, when you have your performance appraisal, when you have a promotion that's due, then they'll look at all that documentary evidence and they'll say, oh, you don't even know how to get on a meeting. You have been red flagged for not turning on your camera. So all those things, little things. But I'm just letting you know that your college life is very different from your corporate life and you are expected to conduct yourself a certain way. I will help you with that. Yeah. So the only thing that I want from you is to please come on time for your class, which will be 6:45 to 8:15 today, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. You will have to sacrifice 1.5 hours from your weekend. I'm so sorry, but I'm also doing that. So just 1.5 hours on Saturday.
You don't talk here.
Saurav? Or Jayesh? Who was that? Okay, guys, you are welcome to unmute yourselves and say whatever you want to say, whenever you want to say it. But when you are talking to me, if you're talking to your family, friends, please keep yourselves muted. Or better yet, don't talk to them during the class. Okay, so just letting you know, we have a class today, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, then Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So just 6 classes in total. Today's the first one. Next will be Thursday, then Saturday, then Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Timings will be 6:45 to 8:15. Do we have any questions? No? Okay. So
No, ma'am.
these 6 classes, I expect you to join the classes on time and also turn on your camera while you are attending the class. All right. Okay. So like I was telling you, I take Campus to Corporate training like this. Then I take other soft skills training. I am a subject matter expert for English language. I am a certified TEFL instructor, which means I can teach English not only in India, but in other non-English speaking countries. I can teach English. And I'm also a leadership trainer, business etiquette trainer. So I start from you guys, Campus to Corporate. Then I train freshly hired people in organizations. I train managers up to leadership. So I have also trained top management, even up to AVPs, VPs, and CEOs. So I have trained everyone. So you can take advantage of my professional experience and my expertise. Ask me as many questions as you like, guys. No question is off the table. You can ask me anything professional, not personal, but professional questions. You can ask me anything you want. Yeah. Anytime you like. And I would encourage you to unmute yourselves and talk whenever you like. Sometimes it might happen that when you unmute yourself and you start talking, somebody else will also talk. So there will be overlap or interruption. If that happens, stop, let the other person finish, and I will come back to you. All right. But you can talk as much as you like. Do we have any questions? Do you have any questions for me? Anything else that you'd like to know about me? About my experience, anything? All right. Okay, guys. So this intervention, these 6 classes are to prepare you for interviews. You will have campus recruitment soon. Is that true? Campus, no? Pooja will tell us. Pooja will tell us. They're saying no. Are you in your last year, guys? Last year of college?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Some are. Okay.
We are
Yes,
in
ma'am.
first year.
Okay, that's all right.
For second year students as well.
Okay, so this is most relevant for students in the last year. However, if you are in the first year or the second year, you're getting a head start. So you are actually learning about this even before, you know, you are reaching that point. So you have more time to prepare yourself. That's even better. Oops, sorry. And sorry. So this is basically interview preparedness, so that once you start appearing for interviews, we are preparing you on everything: how you prepare for the interview, what you're supposed to wear, how you're supposed to conduct yourself, what kind of questions they'll ask you, if you want to ask them questions, and everything. I'll tell you everything about that. Yeah. Did you know that already? What these sessions were for? Did you know that? No, you didn't know? What did you think you were joining?
We have a little bit of idea.
Okay. Okay, Nidhi. Little bit of idea. Okay, guys. Is there anything specific that you'd like me to cover in these sessions? What would you like to know in terms of preparing for interviews? What would you like?
For explaining the short-term and the long-term goal in the interview.
Very good, Tanya. That's a very hot question. What are your short-term and long-term goals? Sometimes they ask you that in the interviews. So what I'll do is, when we cover interview questions and answers, I will have a set of questions that I will practice with you, including this one, Tanya. What are your short-term and long-term goals? However, if you feel like there are more questions that I missed, or if you came across a question that you don't know how to answer, then you can make your own list, guys. So this will be like your homework. You can make your own list. You can list some questions that you feel can come up in an interview, or some like weird question. You know how there are some videos on YouTube, the UPSC questions, UPSC interviews, they ask really random questions in those interviews, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if you want, yeah.
Ma'am, also about weakness. Sometimes they ask about what your weakness. So we have to answer. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's a very, very common question. So these common questions, like how would you introduce yourselves? Why do you want to join this organization? Why should we hire you? What are your strengths and weaknesses? What achievements do you have? Things like that. These will cover anyway. But if you came across like a very unusual question or a weird question or a question that you don't know how to answer, then you can make a list of it and you can let me know in the coming sessions. Yes, Rishi.
Ma'am, recruiter gave us to the situation-based case study. So how we solve the technique?
They give you a case study.
Yes.
Okay, that's a very good input, Rishi. So if we have time, what we'll do is we'll take a couple of case studies also. What was the case study for, Rishi? What was the topic?
Ma'am, how to means handle the situation when the customer agree, and escalation means product was delay in the
Escalation?
delivery. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. We'll do that
And the
also.
customer was angry. So how we reply and calmly to. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are situational questions. They're giving you a situation and asking you how will you react in this situation. So Rishi, when we do questions and answers, later on when we practice during the interview, the questions and answers, then you can give me this question also, how to answer this. Okay, so guys, make a list of questions that you want to prepare for during the interview, and I will answer these questions. Somebody asked a question and I missed it. Sorry, was that? Did Rishi ask me a question? Rishi, can you just read your question? Can you just tell us? Why, how did I miss it?
My question is only the situation-based question, means how to handle
sorry.
the customer.
Yeah, sorry, Rishi. I'm so sorry. It was somebody else, and when I'm opening the chat, I can't see that question. Somebody asked a question just now in chat. Can you please say what it was? I couldn't answer it. I forgot. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Tapasya. Don't worry about Nidhi and Tapasya. Don't worry about the strength and weakness question. I will take all these questions. We'll practice them together. I will take you through every question that they asked during the interview. What I'm saying is that if you have any questions in mind, even strength and weakness, just make a note of it, note it down somewhere. And when we start practicing the questions, I will take these questions as well. The ones that you have, we'll practice that as well. I think somebody wrote a question in the chat box and I think they deleted it, but it was a good question. I looked at it and I was like, okay, that's a good question. And I wanted to answer that, but I think they deleted it. I don't know why. So whoever that was, whoever wrote a question in the chat box and deleted it, please unmute yourself and ask me that question. So just letting you know, we will have preparation for all the questions that they ask in the interview. However, if I miss a question that you wanted the answer to, then you can ask me then. So like Rishi was asking about a situational question, he can ask me then that, hey, how do I answer this question if they give us a situation? If they tell us this is the situation, your customer is angry, you have an escalation, how do you handle that? I will give you the answer then. Okay. But I'll tell you something, once we go through the modules and I'll tell you how to generally answer questions, chances are that by the end of it, you will know how to answer them, because I'll tell you some cheat sheets. Okay. I'll tell you some cheat codes, because I take interviews myself. I hire people for organizations and I'll tell you the things that I like hearing. So I'll tell you what are some of the things. Oh, yeah. Yes, this was the question. Sorry, I forgot about it. So he asked something like, at the end of the interview, sometimes the interviewer, the company gives you the opportunity to ask them a question. They say something like, do you have any questions for me? So what would you ask them when they ask you something like this? This is a good question, Aryan. You could have written it in the chat box. He sent me a secret message, guys, private message. So that's the question that Aryan asked. It's a very good question. He said that if the interviewer is asking you, do you have any questions for us? Or do you have any feedback? If interviewer asks about the feedback, then, or if they say that, do you have any questions for me? What are some of the questions that we should ask? This is a very, very good question. All right. And I'll tell you the answer to this when we get to the questions. Before getting to the questions, before we even get to the questions that are asked in an interview, there is so much that you need to do. So we'll start doing that, starting with the preparation of the interview. So if I had to divide your entire interview process, before you reach the interview, before you sit in front of somebody and they start asking you questions, you have to do a lot even before that. Do you agree? What are some of the, okay, Manpreet, if interviewer asks you, yeah, so Manpreet, you're asking the same question that Aryan asked, right? That if the interviewer asks you that you can ask any questions from me, how to answer this question, Aryan asked the same question. So this is basically, guys, I'll tell you when this happens. You go for an interview. They say, okay, hi, can you introduce yourself? You do that. Then they say, okay, why do you want to join our company? What are your goals? What are your strengths and weaknesses? They ask you all these questions. And then your interview is over. Okay, after 10 minutes, your interview is over. They say, okay, your interview is over. I've asked you all the questions that I needed to ask you. Now, do you have any questions for me? Do you have any questions that you want to ask me? Or is there anything that you'd like to share at the end of this interview? So now they put the spotlight on you and they say, okay, now you ask me what you want to ask me. So Aryan and was it Manpreet? They were asking me how to answer that. I will tell you this as well. When we go through the questions and answers later, I will prepare you for this question also. And the short answer to this is that when they ask you, do you have any questions for me? Don't say no. You're not supposed to say no. You are supposed to ask them something. And I'll tell you why you're supposed to ask that and what you're supposed to ask when we go through the questions. Sometimes they ask about salary expectation, and at that time, we don't know how to answer that. That's okay, Nidhi. That's a very valid question that sometimes they ask you what salary expectation do you have? I'll cover that. Yugak is asking something very specific. He's saying, how do we sit during the interview? That's also a valid question. I will cover that also, guys. No matter what question you have in mind, I will cover everything. So what I'm saying is that if you have any questions, Yugank also, by the way, sent me a secret chat. He did not put it in the everybody chat box. He sent me a private message. So he's saying, how do we have to sit during the interview? I'll cover this also. So I will cover body language. I'll cover what you have to wear. I will cover, how you have to get ready, what your body language should be. I'll cover everything. I'm just saying that if you have any questions to prepare for during the interview, just write it down. Don't ask me right now. Write it down in your notepad. And when I take you through the questions, if I missed any question, you can ask me then, which is probably on Saturday. All right. So not right now, maybe then. Okay. Tell me about yourself, ma'am. Can you explain this question? Yes, this will be the first question that we'll cover when we do interview questions and answers. Not right now. We'll do it later. Firstly, I put the question of feedback. Okay. Yugang, stop sending me private messages. He's playing message only with me. He's asking, firstly, I put the question of feedback. That's fine. When the interviewer asks you, do you have any questions for me or do you have any feedback? You will answer that. I will tell you how to answer that later when we go through the Q&As. Is that what you are asking, Yugang? Can you unmute yourself? Yugang, unmute yourself and tell me, is that the question you're asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will answer this question later when we go through the interview questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys, I was asking you a question that I said that even before you reach the interview, even before you go for the meeting for your interview, you have to prepare before that. Do you agree with that? And what kind of preparation am I talking about? Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tanya.
Firstly, we need to know about the company and about the job. Only then we prepare for the interview. Then we
Very
need to
good, Tanya.
be properly groomed for the interview. Then we arrive early for the interview.
Very good, Tanya. Very, very good point. So she talked about something very, very important, which is to probably the most important 2 points. One is that you have to read about the company, research about the company. Abhishek is also saying that you can research about the company. And the second most important thing is to read about your job profile. Yes, Manpreet.
To know about organizational culture and its environment.
Very good, Manpreet. Even better. So when you are reading up about the company, you learn about their culture, the environment, and more about the company. That's very good, Manpreet. And somebody said, and that somebody is Rishi, he said JD. So basically JD is, who can tell me what JD is? Khushi is telling me. Ooh, Yugank is still sending me a secret message, guys, but he gave a very good answer. He said, he said that you should also check who is the HR person who's taking your interview, which is very, very clever. That's a very clever answer, that you should find out who's going to be taking your interview. So good job, Yugank. Do you want to send it to the main chat box so that others can also see these good questions, Yugank? Change the chat setting to me, from me to them. Ma'am, when we go for, geez, you guys type really fast. It's better if you just unmute yourselves. When we go for an interview, we feel scared and are afraid to speak in front of the interviewer, or that we might say something wrong. That's okay, Nancy. By the end of these sessions, you will not be scared because I will prepare you for everything. Yes, Rishi. Rishi, you don't have to raise your hand. You can just unmute yourself and talk.
Yes, ma'am. We know about the company target and the company goal in the future. That also we prepare in the further interview.
Very good. That's a very good input, Rishi. So knowing about the company, what their future goals are, what their targets are, they sometimes share these updates. So I'll tell you about all these things, but very good answer, Rishi. Aryan has asked something really, really cool. He's asking, where do these chats go? Like by the time I open the chat box, they disappear. So basically, Aryan, because I remember now what he had written, Aryan had asked me, can we ask the interviewer, how has your experience been in this company? So the job that I'm applying for with this company, what's your experience been? That's a very good question. Very bold, very brave of you, Aryan, to ask the interviewer, आप बताओ पहले कि कैसा रहा आपका experience. So that is very good, but you can. And when can you ask this question? If they say, do you have any questions for me? When they ask you at the end of the interview, do you have any questions for me? Yeah, so you can ask this, but please make sure to ask this very, very politely. So you can be polite through your body language, through your expression. You can smile, you can be friendly and say, oh, I hope you don't mind me asking, but how has your experience been in the company? What would you, if you had to describe the company to somebody, to a newcomer, how would you describe the company? You can say something like that. And yeah, so Aryan is saying, can I ask the interviewer, tell me about your experience in the company? We will reserve this only if the interviewer gives us the opportunity to ask a question. If they say, do you have any questions for me? You can ask this very, very politely and very diplomatically without offending them. बॉस मत बन जाना ज्यादा कि अब तुम बताओ, मुझे बहुत सवाल कर लिए मुझसे, अब मुझे तुम बताओ. So you can't do that. Very, very politely say, sir, I wanted to ask you, I hope you don't mind, something like that. And then ask them, how has your experience been? Or another way of reframing this question can be, if you had to describe the company culture to a newcomer, how would you describe the company to them? Something like that is very respectful. And then Yugank is saying, yes, after this question, I also what type of my experience maybe in the future. So this can be a tricky question, Yugank, if you ask your interviewer that how has your experience been in the company, and then you tell me what my experience will be like in the company, what will be my future in the company, because then they'll give you a smart answer like you will create your future. It depends on how you perform. It depends on your performance, your attitude, your ambition. Okay, now Mudassir is asking something relevant. What do you like about this company and what would be the challenge? Okay, so yeah, these questions I will prepare you for. So Mudassir, just write down these questions somewhere. Guys, I know. Okay, Pooja. I know you have a lot of questions that you want to prepare. Guys, did the meeting end for you also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
You
ma'am.
rejoined the meeting? Pooja, you accidentally ended the meeting.
Yes, ma'am. I'm really sorry.
Okay. Can you just, is there a way for you to inform on WhatsApp to the participants to rejoin the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I will do.
thank you. Sorry, guys. It looks like when Pooja was trying to leave the meeting, she accidentally ended the meeting because she was the host. So sorry about that. And I think she will just message Junaid. Junaid, could you mute yourself? Sorry, can you say that again? Junaid? Junaid, can you hear me? Junaid, Muhammad Junaid? Jeez. Maybe it's not you then. Who is? Guys, if you're not talking to me, can you mute yourself, please? Because there's some background noise. And let's turn the cameras on. Slowly, people are rejoining. I'm so sorry about this. Pooja accidentally ended the session, so it happens to the best of us. Pooja is very good at what she does. She accidentally ended it. Hello, Gautam.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Rajni. I'm sorry, this camera is at a very weird location in my laptop.
No, that's all right. Pooja had to leave the meeting. She accidentally ended the meeting.
Oh, I just got your text and I thought, oh, कुछ गलत तो नहीं हो गया क्या? But anyways, I think it's going fine. Yeah. Hi guys, how are you? Yeah, hi guys. Sorry, I'm just taking up your time. Over to you, Rajni. Yeah.
Thank
I'll
you,
interact
Gautam.
with you guys later.
Okay. Thank you, Gautam. Junaid, I think your phone is on unmute and I can hear some background noise. Could you mute yourself, Junaid? Oh, Rehanna, look at you. Hello there. Okay, Rehanna has joined us. Okay, guys, let's turn the cameras on. Hello, Arushi. Let's turn the cameras on. Yes, you look good, Arushi. Very nice. Yes. Okay, let's. You're welcome. Okay. Okay, everyone's back. Great, guys. So basically what I was telling you earlier was that I know you're very curious. I know you have a lot of questions. I know you are like, okay, what if the interviewer asks me this or that, just write it down somewhere, not in the chat box right now. Take a notepad, a real notepad, write it down, your questions. And then when we discuss the questions, if I miss any of the questions that you have, then you can say, I have a new question that you haven't covered. And then I'll take that question. Okay? Okay. All right, guys. So let's start the session. It took so long. So basically, I wanted to introduce myself, which I have. Do you have any questions for me, about me? Anything else that you'd like to know about me? You can ask me. Okay. One thing I know is that you think I'm really young because you all said that I had 5 years of experience, 6 years, and I have 20 years. So I look young. Okay. So I'll take that as a compliment. But other than that, apart from this module, which is the interview series, I have expertise in a lot of areas. So you can ask me anything else related to corporate life. Anything. If you have a question about jobs, about skills, responsibilities, you can ask me. I am a subject matter expert for English language. And if you have, excuse me, if you have a question about a word, a phrase, a sentence, what something means, what is the pronunciation of something, about accents, you can ask me that also. Even though it's not related to this session, if you have a question in mind, you can ask me any question you want. If I have the answer, I'll tell you. If it's not related to me, I will tell you that it's not related to me, and I will try and direct you to somebody else. All right. So let's start the session. Before I start the session, do we have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, great. But if you do, just unmute yourself and ask me the question. That's absolutely fine. So I am going to share my screen now. And if you need to ask me something, you can always do that. Just bear with me. Okay. So this is what we are doing today, guys. We are doing interview preparedness, or mastering interviews and how you go about them. And like I said, the interview, when you go to the interview and you start giving the interview, that is something secondary. You have to start preparing way before that. And some of you gave me really good answers that you do that by reading up about the company, you read about your job description and things like that. So that's absolutely great that you already know these answers. Just bear with me 1 second. I would like to see this also. Okay, bear with me. Are you able to see the slide with somebody introducing themselves or meeting the interviewer for the meeting? Can you see that slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Yes,
guys.
ma'am.
All right, great. So
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so we are looking at different types of job interviews. These are generally the kind of interviews that you'll be appearing for. And the main types of interviews will be face-to-face interviews, where you will either go to the company, they'll invite you for an interview, you'll go to the office, you'll go to the company and you'll give the interview there, or they will come to your university and they will take the interview there. So in both the cases, these are face-to-face interviews. And another type of interview is I keep missing the screen, sorry. The panel interview. These are the most intimidating, scary interviews, because you have like 3, 4, 5 people sitting in front of you and they are all looking at you and they're all asking you questions. So that is a panel, and it could be different people from different departments. It could be people holding different positions, and there could be different reasons as to why they are taking this interview together. But these are generally the scariest, because it's not just one person that you're dealing with, but multiple people. So multiplied nervousness and getting scared. Yeah. So I'll tell you how to handle that as well. And then the third type of interview that you will give is a virtual interview or an online interview, just like this. So somebody could be taking an interview online with you. So we will consider different aspects of these interviews when we go through the presentation. Let's start now. So today, what we'll be doing, the things that we'll be discussing through this intervention, through these sessions, are some of these things. Are you able to see this slide? Can you just tell me if you're able to see this guy?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now it's visible.
No.
Can you see a guy extending his hand?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. So basically, I'm getting you ready for an interview, and some of the things that we'll cover in this is, one is to research about the company. So we are starting with preparing for an interview. We haven't reached the interview yet. We are still preparing for the interview. So the first thing that some of you said, which was very smart, was that you research about the company that you have applied with. Then second is to read up about their values and ethics. So you read up on the company's mission, vision, values, and ethics, and I'll tell you what that is. Then we will start building our resume, how to create a resume, what all should be included in a resume. I'll tell you how to go about that and how you build a resume. And your JD and KRAs. So somebody already spoke about job description. They said that when you're preparing for an interview, Nidhi, हाँ, इधर देखो. So when you are preparing for an interview, you should know your job description also. Yeah, so you should know what job you're applying for, what is the job description, and you should know your KRAs. Does anybody know what KRAs are?
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
It's not visible?
Key responsible areas.
No, ma'am.
But screenshot must not be.
Okay.
Now it's visible actually.
Oh no, I just closed it. Okay, Nidhi is asking. Nidhi also sent me a secret message. She's asking, what are the skills we must have when we enter the corporate life, or what are some more skills we will learn to stand out from others? Very good, Nidhi. We will cover all this. So basically, the skills that you need to have will be covered in these sessions in your interview preparedness. I will answer your question. Guys, I stopped sharing my screen, so you will not be able to see the slides right now. I will share them again because for whatever reason you were not able to see them. So basically you are talking about your corporate life. So your corporate career. In your corporate career, there is JD, which stands for job description. Basically, this is a list that you get when you are applying for a job. They give you a list that in your job you're required to do this. So it's kind of like a checklist or some bullet points of your responsibilities, what all you'll be required to do. And then KRA, somebody gave me the answer. Who was that?
Ma'am, Abhishek.
Yes, Abhishek, what was that?
Key responsible areas.
Yeah. So key responsibility areas. So basically, job description is more generic. It's more general. So job description is generally shared for you to apply for a job. So it's shorter, it's more generic, more general, and it is brief. So basically when you go on LinkedIn Jobs, or if you go on Naukri, if you go on Monster and you want to apply for a job, let's say if you're applying for a data scientist job, then the job description will read that for data scientist, we need somebody with so much experience, this qualification, it will pay you this much. That's generally what the job description is. It is a synopsis or a brief of what you would be required to do when you take this job. KRA is very specific. It'll be just for you. So for example, if Nidhi has applied for a job and she becomes a data scientist, then she will get her KRA, and the KRA will say Nidhi will have to make reports, she will have to support a team, she will have to go for client meetings, she will have to work in transitioning, she will have to respond to escalations, train her team. So it'll have a checklist very specific just for her, that these are your key responsibility areas and this is what you are required to do when you start this job. So in a way, I can say if I had to differentiate between your job description and your KRAs, then I will say that your job description is a description of what you need to get the job. For you to get a job, this is what you need, not what you need, but this is what you'll be required to do once you get the job. And your KRAs is what you need to do to earn your salary. So unless you are completing your KRAs, you will not get paid. That's what you need to do to earn your salary. That justifies your job basically, right? So you should definitely know your KRAs, especially after taking a job. Before taking a job, you should definitely know what the job description is. And while you're at the interview, this is another question that you can ask somebody, guys, when they say, what do you have any questions for me? You can say, will I get my KRAs? Is there a list of KRAs that I can look at? That'll make you look really fancy, that oh ho, kitni jaldi hai inko kaam karne ki, sab janna hai kya karna hai, right? So KRAs is something like that, and that's why you can show your confidence when somebody asks you that. So this is why I was telling you earlier that if somebody asks you, do you have any questions for me? And you say no, then you are showing your lack of confidence, that you're so scared to ask a question. Somebody is giving you the opportunity, kuch bhi puch lo, and you're saying, no, I don't want to ask anything. So this is the reason why you don't say no, because they are basically testing you to see how
Hello
confident
everyone,
you
my
are.
name is Priyanshu Prajapathi and what do you
Priyanshu, were you asking something? God. Priyanshu, are you there? Guys, let's turn the cameras on. This is exactly why I need the cameras on, because Priyanshu खेल रहा है अपने दोस्तों के साथ कि इंटरव्यू में ऐसे इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, my name is Priyanshu. No, it's okay, Priyanshu. You turn your camera on. Turn your camera on. I need everyone's cameras on, because you guys are in hostels and you guys are in PGs. You are sitting with your friends and like, आओ तुम्हें एक चीज दिखाते हैं, बहुत मजेदार ट्रेनिंग हो रही है हमारी, देखो ट्रेनिंग में क्या सिखाते हैं हमें, तुम भी सीख लो फ्री में बिना पैसे दिए. So ये सब हो रहा होता है, which is why I want you to turn on your camera so I can look at you all the time and I know you're not playing. Where is Priyanshu first? Let me. Yes, Priyanshu, किससे बात कर रहे थे? Who was it?
मैम फ्रेंड्स फोन कॉल आ गया था.
ओहो, ठीक है, तो फोन कॉल नहीं लेना है गाइस ट्रेनिंग के टाइम पे, इसलिए आई वांट द कैमरास ऑन. नेहा कुलस्ते, टर्न योर कैमरा ऑन. पार्थ तिवारी, वैष्णवी जोशी, Parth Tiwari, turn your camera on. Junaid, turn your camera on. Aryan is asking very good questions, but his camera is off. Jeez, guys, half of the batch has not turned on their cameras. Nidhi Goswami, Edla Manasvi, very nice name. Mridushman, very nice name. Mridushman, turn on your camera. Good, Neha. Farhat Parveen, very nice names, guys. Sabha Parveen, are you? Farhat Parveen and Sabha Parveen, are you related? Are you even there? Okay, guys, I am, for the last time, I'm taking the names of the people who have their cameras off. These people need to turn on their cameras ASAP. Muhammad Junaid, Edla Manasvi, Mridushman Deka, Farhat Parveen, Sabha Parveen, Bhanushri, Saloni Kumari. Turn on your camera. Praveen, Harsh Kundu, Yugang, come on, you're asking so many questions. Turn on your camera. Tanisha, Ravali, Sumitra, Anshika, Yash, Bishal, Nirmal, Soumya. Turn on your cameras. Vaishnavi, turn on your camera. Tausif, do you have your camera on? Disha, Adarsh, Manjar, turn your cameras on. Vikas, Rajesh, Dola, Kala, Harshita. Okay, Harshita is your first name. Harshita, turn on your camera. Saurabh Patel. All right, guys, please turn your cameras on. I do not want these sessions to become like a school session. I cannot be your teacher. I'm only your instructor. Please turn your cameras on. Some of you have really nice names. I'm so curious to know what these names mean. Oh, Arjun, look at you. Why did you turn your camera off? You look like a hero. Oh no, girls, look at
Thank you,
him.
ma'am.
You're welcome. All right, Nitesh and Tosif, do we have our camera on? There's a power cut problem in my building. Manjar, it's okay, but as soon as the power comes back on, please turn your camera on. Abhishek, turn your camera on. Guys, I will never do this exercise again. When you're coming for a meeting or a class, please turn your cameras on. I will not tell everyone, and I don't want to take names one by one. Saloni, you're looking very nice. Don't worry about the angle of your camera. That's okay. Just keep your camera somewhere and relax. Yes. Okay, guys. Good. Yes, Saloni is finally settled. Not settled, still playing with the phone. All right, guys, let's start. If face an English then how to deal with this situation? Very good question by Manjar. So Manjar has also sent me a secret message, guys. He's asking, if you face an English vocabulary problem during an interview, then how to deal with this situation? So what I'm understanding is that he's saying that during the interview, you're speaking in English and then you get stuck somewhere, or you don't know how to say something, you can't recall the word. Then what do? You take the time, you take a pause. That's absolutely fine. So you can say, sorry, just a second, and you think about it. Now, sometimes what happens is, sometimes we are thinking of a certain word, but we can't recall the word. Yeah. So for example, when I said the word intimidating, yeah. How many of you know what that word means? Intimidating. Do you know what that means? Does anyone know what intimidating means? No. Okay. Guys, if I say a word that you don't know the meaning of, please raise your hand or unmute yourself and say, hey, can you tell me what that means? And that's how you improve your vocabulary, because this is how you learn new words, right? So you can ask me anything. If you hear a word, tempting. Why is he
It's a
asking?
fear.
Oh,
It's a fear, ma'am.
yes, it is. So I knew people will start Googling it now. So that's the fear. How to develop the English accent. Mridushman is asking how to develop the English accent. Okay, guys. I'll tell you, Mridushman, in 1 second. Situation-based question. Parth, you can tell me the situation-based questions later when we do the questions one by one. You can tell me what kind of situation-based questions they ask, and I will try to answer that question for you. Intimidating is not tempting. Not at all. It's like the opposite of tempting. So intimidating, somebody said, is like fear. So basically what happens is, when you meet somebody who has a lot of authority, you're not really scared of them, but you will be hesitant because they have authority. So for example, if you meet Bill Gates, or if you meet Mark Zuckerberg, so you know this is like a bada aadmi. If you meet Narendra Modi, you know that he's like a very powerful person, very accomplished, very rich, very successful. So you will not just go up to Modi and say, oh, Modi ji kaise ho? You will not do that, right? Because you will be intimidated by their position, their power. So intimidation is somewhat like being scared, but it also comes from somebody's authority, their position, who they are as a person. So intimidation is that hesitation or slight fear that you have of somebody because of who they are. So when I gave the example of intimidating, when I was talking about the panel, the interview panel, that when you have an interview panel and you have multiple people interviewing you, then you can get intimidated. It can be an intimidating situation and you can get intimidated in that situation. That's the example that I had given. Now, what I was telling you earlier was that sometimes, to answer his question, Ajay, then you have to learn, but it depends on what kind of job you're applying for. So Ajay is saying जिसको इंग्लिश बोलना ही नहीं आता वो क्या करे? तो जिसको इंग्लिश बोलना ही नहीं आता, हो सकता है वो ऐसी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई ही ना कर रहा हो जिसमें इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़े. So if you're applying for, let's say, a mechanical engineering job or a civil engineering job, then maybe you will not have to speak in English all the time, and maybe your interview will also be in Hindi. But if you feel like you will go for an interview जहाँ पे interview ही English में होगा, and your company, you're required to speak in English, then you should start working on it. Yeah, start working on your English. So I was trying to tell you earlier that somebody had asked me this question, that if there is a vocabulary problem, then Manjar had asked this, that if you have a vocabulary problem. So I was telling you that in case you can't recall a certain word, कि इस situation के लिए कौन सा word बोलना था, जैसे अब intimidating you want to say, then what you do is, instead of saying intimidating, you describe the word. You know, when you are in a situation where you are hesitant, if you're in a situation where you're scared of somebody, scared to speak up, then you replace that with that. So you replace the word by just defining it or describing it. Now that you asked me these questions, guys, let me ask you, tell me yes or no. Are you comfortable with me speaking in English? Is everyone understanding me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anyone who's not understanding me or who's struggling with understanding me? Yugang, you're understanding me, right? Not struggling? I want, okay. Is there anyone who's not understanding me or who's having trouble following what I'm saying? Guys, यहाँ पे कोई है? हाँ, ठीक है नितेश, that is fine. अभी आदत नहीं हुई. So Nitesh is saying English बोलते time nervous feel होता है. That is okay. You have to practice. So these sessions are meant for these things, guys. It's for you to practice and to get over your nervousness. And you have to be sincere though. I can teach you everything, but you have to be sincere to learn. If you don't want to learn, cool बनना है, style मारना है, then you will never learn. ठीक है? So be a little more serious in these sessions. Be sincere. I will try to help you as much as I can. Guys, यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा है जिसको इंग्लिश नहीं समझ में आ रही है और जो मैं बोल रही हूँ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? कैन यू जस्ट रेज योर हैंड? नेहा को तो नींद आ रही है बस. शी इज वेटिंग सेशन खत्म हो जाके सो जाए बस. बहुत स्ट्रेस है लाइफ में. ठीक है. Anybody here? All right, guys. So I am assuming that you are okay with me speaking in English. If you don't understand something, please raise your hand or just unmute yourself or write in the chat box कि मेरे को नहीं समझ में आया ये. Or you can say, what was that word that you used? Can you tell us the word again? And that is how you improve your vocabulary. ठीक है? Okay, guys. I was going to say something and I forgot. Anyway. Okay, so I will continue with the session. Does anyone have any questions apart from interview-based questions, which we'll get to? I'll tell you all the questions, all the situations. Okay, Priyanshu is saying, yeah. So if I had to tell you how I speak well, if you think I speak well, I'm just speaking for myself. अजय मीना को नई इंग्लिश समझ में आ रही है. ओके ओके अजय, मैं पूरा सेशन तो हिंदी में नहीं ले सकती, बट जो ज्यादा नहीं समझ में आ रहा है वो मुझसे पूछ लेना, मैं हिंदी में बता दूंगी. बट yes, in these sessions we have to practice English, so I will have to take it in English. But कुछ specifically नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो पूछ लेना. How to overcome fear while facing interview? Guys, everyone is scared to face interviews. Even when I go for an interview, even though I take interviews, खैर अब नहीं लगता मुझे डर, लेकिन शुरू में मेरे को भी डर लगता था. मिक्स बोल लिया. अच्छा ठीक है तौसीफ, मैं मिक्स बोल दूंगी. तो पहले मेरे को भी डर लगता था. when I used to go for interviews, मुझे भी डर लगता था. And this is very normal. I am telling you, I sometimes interview managers, senior managers. I sometimes interview, क्योंकि मैं प्री असेसमेंट लेती हूँ. there's something called प्री असेसमेंट, जिसमें ये चेक करते कि कौन कितने अच्छे से बोल पा रहा है, उनकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स चेक करने होते. तो दैट आई हैव डन फॉर सीईओज आल्सो, सीनियर मैनेजमेंट आल्सो. सबको डर लगता है. बीइंग नर्वस इज वेरी नेचुरल. एक तो है कि यू प्रैक्टिस, यू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ वेल, एंड दूसरा है कि थोड़ी एक्टिंग भी करनी पड़ती है जब नर्वसनेस होती है. तो बस क्या बोलते हैं उसको, फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट सुना है ना? फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. सो एक्टिंग करो कि यू आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. वो सभी एक्टिंग कर रहे होते हैं, जो इंटरव्यू ले रहा है वो भी एक्टिंग ही कर रहा होता है. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू एक्ट कॉन्फिडेंट, बी सेल्फ अश्योर्ड, गिव योरसेल्फ टाइम टू थिंक, एंड दैट्स फाइन. ज्यादा मतलब कोई भी ऐसा नहीं होता कि कभी भी नर्वस ना हो. हर कोई होता है नर्वस. ठीक है? What I was going to tell you, guys, I'm going to tell you something right now. Okay? Do not open YouTube on your phone. Just because I'm telling you, don't open YouTube right now. Yes, Nitesh. Don't open YouTube right now, but I have a YouTube channel जिसमें इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस भी हैं, ठीक है। सो इफ यू वांट टू गो चेक आउट द चैनल एंड वॉच सम ऑफ द वीडियोस इंक्लूडिंग इंटरव्यू वीडियोस, अभी मत खोलना। माय चैनल नेम इज कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर रजनी. That's my YouTube channel, Corporate Trainer Rajni. I spell my name as RAJANI. इस चैनल को बाद में देख लेना गाइस, बाद में वीडियोस देख लेना, ठीक है। एंड यू कैन वॉच सम ऑफ द वीडियोस. तो उसमें सम ऑफ यू हु आर आस्किंग कि इंग्लिश बेटर कैसे करे, वोकैबुलरी बेटर कैसे करे, एक्सेंट कैसे सीखे, ये सब वीडियोस है उस चैनल पे. तो एक्सेंट कैसे अपना आपको बेटर करना है वो भी उस चैनल पे है, इंग्लिश कैसे बेटर करनी है वो भी उस चैनल पे है. तो किसी ने अभी बोला reading books and listening to podcasts. Yes, that's a good idea. I bettered my English by reading books. I used to read so many books, I can't tell you. I've grown up reading books. I used to love books. So I also read a lot of books. And what will help you guys is किस-किसके पास Netflix है? सबके पास Netflix है? Netflix या Amazon Prime नहीं है?
Yes,
है ना? 199 का हो गया गाइस अब तो Netflix. 199
मैम मोबाइल वर्जन 149 का ही है.
149 का भी आता है, वो कह रही है आकांक्षा. ठीक है, ओनली फॉर मोबाइल 149 का भी आता है. तो ठीक है, अगर नेटफ्लिक्स नहीं लेना चाहते हो अच्छी बात है. नेट मिरर फ्री है गाइस. ये देखो वायरस बांट रहा है यश गुप्ता. नेट मिरर ये राजेश और यश देना चाहते हैं वायरस, ठीक है, मत डाउनलोड करना. सो ठीक है गाइस, ऑल दीज बेसिकली एनी OTT प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक नेटफ्लिक्स, Amazon Prime, जियो, ये वो जो भी होता है, इफ यू वॉच इंग्लिश मूवीज it has the option of CC or subtitles. I will encourage you, जिसकी भी इंग्लिश वीक है गाइस, मूवीज देखो, इंग्लिश मूवीज विद सबटाइटल्स. तो क्या होगा, जो वो बोल रहे हैं वो सुन भी रहे हो और नीचे लिखा भी आ रहा है, तो देन यू आर एबल टू कंपेयर एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंड. इससे भी इंग्लिश अच्छी होती है. मैंने तो ऐसे ही ठीक करी है अपनी, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. सो व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल, मैं तब से ही माय चैनल नेम इज कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर रजनी. So Corporate Trainer Rajni. Rajni is RAJANI. Guys, YouTube पे मत जाओ अभी. ठीक है यार, ठीक है, ठीक है guys. So try to watch English shows and English movies with subtitles. And to be honest, YouTube पे भी subtitles होते हैं. ठीक है, you will find many videos on YouTube, many movies on YouTube with subtitles. And अगर subtitles नहीं हो तो नीचे CC का option आता है, which is closed captions, which also means कि जो बोल रहे हैं वो नीचे लिखा हुआ आ जाएगा. तो try to watch English videos as much as you can. When I was in school, I used to listen to English songs, और मैं अपने आप को मतलब चैलेंज करती थी कि I used to listen to the English songs, और मैं लिरिक्स लिखती थी, क्योंकि तब लिरिक्स नहीं मिलते थे गाइस. हम ऐसे टाइम से हैं जब इंटरनेट ही नहीं होता था, तो हम कहीं जाके पढ़ भी नहीं सकते थे लिरिक्स. हमको खुद से लिखने, सुन के लिखने पड़ते थे. रिवाइंड प्ले ऐसे करते हैं. यस सुमित्रा, थैंक यू. सो गाइस, चैट बॉक्स में सुमित्रा ने सबके लिए शेयर कर दिया है, कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर रजनी, दैट्स माय चैनल नेम. डू नॉट स्टार्ट वॉचिंग द वीडियोज राइट नाउ. नाम देख लो, बाद में देख लेना चैनल, बाद में वीडियोस देख लेना. बट आई विल टेल यू दिस, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन माय चैनल. उन टॉपिक्स पे भी मैंने वीडियोस बनाए हैं जो इसमें हम कवर नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि ये इंटरव्यू के लिए है सिर्फ. तो इंग्लिश बेटर करना, एक्सेंट बेटर करना, प्रमोशन कैसे मिलता है, जॉब कैसे मिलती है, वो सब यहाँ पे इतना नहीं होगा, वहां पे है. तो इफ यू जस्ट वांट सम ट्रेनिंग मटेरियल, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ इट देयर. और मैं वहां पे थोड़ा दूर बैठती हूँ गाइस, तो ज्यादा अच्छी लगती हूँ. अभी मैं ज्यादा पास हूँ तो इतनी अच्छी नहीं लग रही हूँ. तो ये मत सोचना कि इसमें क्यों इतनी अच्छी लग रही है, ठीक है. मेकअप भी ज्यादा किया हुआ है इसमें मैंने. सो ये मत सोचना ये कौन ट्रेनर है, मैं ही हूँ, ठीक है गाइस. सो यू कैन वॉच ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो दैट इज जस्ट सम ट्रेनिंग. Yes, I do have LinkedIn. This is my name on my video screen. The name that you see, Rajni Sarasan, that's my name. And you can find me on LinkedIn with my name. On LinkedIn, you can always reach out to me for professional questions. If you need mentoring, if you need some support from me, you can message me. Please मेरे को message करके ये मत बोलना मैम how are you और क्या चल रहा है आजकल, ये मत करना. I will not reply to that. But if you message me and ask me something specific that can you help me with this, I will always help you. ठीक है? Okay, thank you Nidhi. Thank you Nidhi and Rajesh. All right. ठीक है, let's come back to this. Guys, before I go back to the module, anything else that you want to ask me? थैंक यू नितेश. सब्सक्राइब पहले कर दिया. मैंने बोला था यूट्यूब मत खोलना, यूट्यूब खोल भी दिया, सब्सक्राइब कर भी दिया, और मेरे को बता भी रहे हैं कि सब्सक्राइब कर दिया. वेरी गुड. डिस्ट्रैक्ट होने का तो बस बहाना चाहिए. ठीक है गाइस, एनी अदर अटेंडेंस विल बी attendance is automatically marked if I'm not wrong. But if you want to double check if your attendance is getting marked, you can ask Pooja. So Pooja is the right person for this. And also at the end of this session, you have to fill your feedback for this. For the session, you can share your feedback for me कि आपको session कैसा लगा and trainer कैसे लगी. So I'm also pasting the feedback form here, but I think you will get that also at the end of the session. Vikas Thakur. ये गुड नाइट कहाँ से आ गया विकास? गर्लफ्रेंड की जगह यहाँ तो नहीं डाल दिया आपने अपना गुड नाइट? विकास ठाकुर, गुड नाइट कहाँ से हो गया? प्लीज कोई मुझे बताओ. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. Vikas Thakur ne good night. The session is not over, Vikas. हाँ, you're right, Nidhi. Guys, session is not over. अभी 15 मिनट बचे, रुक जाओ. रुको जरा, ये वाला मीम देखा है? रुको जरा. ठीक है, अभी एक सेशन बाकी है 15 minutes. Guys, I've just pasted the link to the feedback form. You have to fill this feedback form at the end of this session, and I think maybe वो आपके WhatsApp group में और आपके email में भी आएगा. But if not, then you can fill this and you can share the feedback about today's session and about the trainer. ठीक है, I will go back to the slide. Before I go back, do you have any other questions, guys? I don't want to interrupt your train of thought. Edla, where are you from? Is Edla your last name or your first name?
Manasvi is my first name, Mama.
Oh, sorry about that. Where are you from?
I'm studying in Hanamkonda, Telangana.
Are you Telugu?
I'm not Telugu, but I'm studying over here.
Where are you from originally?
Chhattisgarh.
Oh, because your name is very interesting, Edla. I've heard that for the first time. Your surname. That's why I was asking. Very interesting. Very nice. Some of you guys have really, really nice names. Ma'am, English जरूरी है या knowledge? ठीक है. Ajay is asking, English ज़्यादा जरूरी है या knowledge? So guys, ये ना एक this is an ongoing struggle that I face even on my YouTube channel. Oh, Rajesh is like, I am Telugu. Telugu कैसे बोला आपने? मैं हूँ Telugu. I am also half Telugu, Rajesh, but only half. Yeah, Manasvi.
आपने मतलब किसी ने बोला था कि हिंदी हाफ और इंग्लिश हाफ. एक्चुअली मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी हैं इसमें जिनको हिंदी नहीं आता उतना.
Exactly. So, हाँ, so Rajesh, I am also half Telugu, but I don't speak Telugu. But ठीक है, good to know. Yes, okay, Rajesh is saying that. Rajesh is saying the same thing that Manasvi said, that he doesn't understand Hindi. So guys, listen, I'll tell you something. So I'll answer this question. This is a valid question. So आप लोगों के जो भी questions आ रहे, these are all valid questions. If you're asking me that my English is not that good, can you speak in Hindi? Because English may not be that important. English has become a medium. It's become a tool across the world. So do you know how many countries have English as their main language? Do you know how many countries speak in English as their mother tongue or their native language? Do you know? Acha, pehle mein 50. Very good, Tausif. Almost all, Rajesh is saying. Pehle to mere ko koi ye batao kiski GK अच्छी है. How many countries are there in the world? How many countries are there?
195.
198. 195, Manjar is saying.
196.
According to me, it was 192. मैंने जब चेक 206 भाई जुपिटर और मार्स मर्क्यूरी को तो नहीं जोड़ लिया पार्थ तिवारी ने 206 कर दिया 195. The last time I had checked, it was 195. I think you're right. It is something like 195. Let's just say less than 200. सब अलग-अलग बता रहे हैं. एक बार गूगल ही कर लें क्या? The last time I had checked, I think it was 192. How many countries are there? Okay, guys. Let's
195, ma'am.
Yeah, 195. I think it is 195. So let's say 195. So out of the 195 countries, how many countries speak English as their first and only language, mother tongue? How many countries have English as their mother tongue? अब इसको Google मत करने लगना. Don't Google this. Tell me how many do you think? So Rajesh said almost all of them, and somebody said Manjar said 50. Okay. Anyone else? How many countries speak English?
Ma'am, 70.
70. Okay. So you know how we say 68? बड़े specific बता रहे हैं. You know how sometimes we say our native place is so and so, my native language is so and so, because that is our roots, where we come from, where are we originally from. Yeah. And native language means what is your original language or your mother tongue or your main language. That is what native is. I am asking you, how many countries have English as their native language, which means it's their mother tongue and the only language that they speak. Okay. You'd be surprised, guys. There are only 5 native English speaking countries, which means English is their only language. 5. Nirmal, can you tell me the 7? Which 7 countries speak English? Nirmal, tell us. Nirmal.
USA, ma'am, UK,
Hmm.
Canada,
Hmm.
Australia,
Hmm.
Ireland, New
Okay.
Zealand,
Okay.
South Africa.
Scotland. Okay. To answer these questions, guys, हम बहुत ही दूर चले गए interview preparedness से और चले गए English में, but you should know all this because I'm a subject matter for this, a subject matter expert. I know the answers to these things. So, Scotland में Scottish बोली जाती है. Scotland, Scottish. South African, they speak Afrikaan. Ireland में Irish बोली जाती है. Okay, Neha, you can watch some of my videos. It will help you. I have videos on accent. Achha, khadi boli. Okay, so there are videos on pronunciation and accent also. They'll help you. So first watch the videos and let me know if it helps. If it doesn't, then I'll help you. Okay. So guys, some of the countries that you said, like Ireland, Irish is spoken in Ireland. Scottish is spoken in Scotland. So English is not their first language. There are only 5 countries with English as their first and only language and their mother tongue, which are US. UK is not a country. UK is not a country. UK is a collection of countries. UK has England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, and Wales, 4 countries. So UK is not a country. Know this. England is a country. And England speaks English. England owns English. English came out of England, right? So the 5 countries that speak English are US, America, England, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Even in Australia and New Zealand, there are other languages also, but they are considered to be native English speakers. So only 5 countries. So out of 195 countries, only 5 countries speak English. For the rest 190 countries, which is the rest of the world, almost the entire world, English is used as a common medium. It's a neutral language. So aap agar Italy chale jaoge, if you go to Italy, if you go to Japan, if you go to China, if you go to Africa, if you go to a new country, you cannot possibly know so many languages, right? Nobody knows so many languages. So then they use English as a medium, as a neutral medium. This is why we need to know English. It is okay. अगर आपको English नहीं आती है तो ठीक है. English बोलने में डर लगता है तो ठीक है. English गलत बोलते हो तो ठीक है. That's all fine. If you're not good at English, start working on it. Unless you know that the job you will apply for, you will not need English. अगर कुछ बहुत ही देसी नौकरी, गवर्नमेंट नौकरी या समथिंग लाइक परचून की दुकान में बैठना है और वहां पे सब हिंदी ही बोलेंगे, if you know that, if it's a local job and you know you'll speak in your local language, whether it's Hindi or Telugu or whatever, if you know that you will not be using English, okay, then you don't have to work on it. But if you know that in your career you'll be required to speak in English, if you want to travel the world, if you want to speak to different clients from different countries, then of course you'll have to learn it. So I am not saying that you must, but chances are that you will need to. 95% there are chances that you will need to know English. If your English isn't good, try and watch some of my videos. I have given some tips on how to learn English, and I'm always here. I'll meet you the next 5 times for the next 5 classes. You can ask me then also. Okay? Okay, guys. बहुत ज़्यादा derail हो गए. This was the first session, so we were asking a lot of questions. That's okay. You can always ask me questions. Let's go back to interview preparedness. So we were basically discussing that before the interview, Yugank is smiling so much. क्या हुआ Yugank? अच्छा लगा? तो ताली मार दीजिए. ये वाला meme देखा guys. I consume so many memes. It's not even funny. I watch so many memes. मैं memes में ही बात करती रहती हूँ. अच्छा लगा आपको? तो ऐसे ताली बजा दीजिए. ये लोकसभा में बात हुई थी, ठीक है? All right, guys, I will go back to the presentation and we'll discuss interview preparedness. Is that okay? If you have any other questions, you can ask me before I start, but I'll go back to that and we'll discuss what all. पता है अभी तक we are just discussing हम क्या क्या cover करने वाले. शुरू भी नहीं किया मैंने पढ़ाना. We are still discussing what all we are going to cover. So I'll take you back to that. And this is what all we'll cover. So I was discussing, I think the last time before we got distracted, and I think before the meeting abruptly ended, we were discussing what KRAs mean. So KRAs are your key responsibility areas, which means that when you start working, you are required to do certain things in order to earn your salary and to perform well. Those are your KRAs. So before you get ready for an interview, you need to know about the company. You should research a little bit about the company. You should know the values and ethics of that company. I'll tell you about this in a second. I will teach you how to make your resume. What kind of resume should you build? What information should you include in your resume? And what is the JD, the job description that you're applying for? What is the job title? What is the job description? And what are the KRAs for that job? You should know all of this. Now, who can tell me? I'm just going to stop sharing for a second, guys. Who can tell me what values and ethics are? So I've written that you should know the values and ethics of the company. Who knows what values and ethics are? इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? Nobody knows values and ethics? Guys, but if you didn't know values and ethics, company's protocols, ठीक है, तपस्या, very good. Close, but not really. Code of responsibilities, okay. Kind of true. Farhat, very good.
Guidelines.
Guidelines, okay, very good, Tanya. But guys, Tasif is like, no, sab galat hai. ठीक है? So, rules and regulations, okay. Okay, values and ethics are rules and regulations. Every company has some policy different to other. Yeah, Manpreet.
Responsibilities.
Responsibilities, okay. Moral values. Neha Kulaste ke liye taaliyan, guys. Neha Kulaste has given the right answer. Yes, Neha has given the right answer, which is morals. So I'll tell you what values and ethics are. I'll explain to you what values and ethics are. But I am so disappointed in you because I've been showing you this slide. I've been showing you this slide for so long and you have been seeing values and ethics. But किसी ने पूछा नहीं कि value and ethics क्या होता है? ये कौन सी चिड़िया का नाम है? Nobody asked me. So guys, please don't do this. If you hear a word that you don't know the meaning of, or if you see a concept that I am showing in the presentation, but you don't know what it means, ask me. What are values and ethics? We don't even know what that is, and I will explain it to you. So Manjar is saying values and ethics create goodwill. ये Google किया था Manjar?
No, ma'am.
अपने से पता है? Very good. Yes, that's kind of true. But Neha Kulaste gave the exact right answer, guys. Values and ethics are basically your morals. Do you remember जब हम छोटे बच्चे थे, when we were little, our parents used to teach us this is right, this is wrong, ये नहीं करते गंदी बात, ये करो अच्छी बात. Remember how they used to teach us? चोरी नहीं करते, you should not lie, you should not steal, you should not be rude to anyone. Manpreet, are you feeling sleepy? नींद आ गई? कुछ नहीं होता, थोड़ी देर में सो जाना.
No, ma'am.
Okay, आ तो रही है लेकिन कहना पड़ता है. No, ठीक है, थोड़ी देर बाद सो जाना. Okay, guys. So what our parents used to teach us, जब हम छोटे थे, they used to teach us don't lie, don't be rude, don't be mean, share your toys, share your things, don't steal, don't gossip, don't say anything bad behind somebody's back. Yeah, Rajesh, ethics. Those morals that our parents taught us, we use morals in our real life. So, for example, if Pooja tells me that she broke up with her boyfriend, for example, I will not go and tell Neha that, you know what, Pooja broke up with her boyfriend. I will not tell her because I understand that it's private information. She told me in confidence. It was a secret. So I should not go and tell everyone else because this is gossiping. This is breaking her trust. Yuga uncle's like, "Ye example acha laga mujhe." So this is breaking her trust. And I should not do that. So I am following good morals there. This is your moral compass, that we know the difference between what is right and what is wrong. And if I had to change that to your professional life, in your professional career, in your corporate career, the same morals translate to having good values or ethics. So ethics or values basically mean that you should do the right thing and not do the wrong thing. And they are listed as values and ethics. Did everyone understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So today, Pooja, everyone had a lot of questions about the interview, and they had a lot of questions about English and a lot of different things. So unfortunately, today I could only give you an introduction of what we are going to do and the 4 things that I showed you earlier, that in this entire intervention, this workshop, these are some of the things that we'll be doing. We'll look at how to prepare for an interview. Was supposed to be just how to read about the company, the values and ethics of the company, how to make your resume, your job description, and your KRAs. This was supposed to be just the first session, guys. So we have skipped an entire session without covering this. We will do this in the next session. Then I will tell you what kind of questions they ask you. We will practice the questions. Then we'll do mock interviews. So we have a lot to do. So please try to be a little more focused, and you can always have your questions written down. You can ask me the questions. If you look at the chat box, guys, you have the feedback form link. After the session is over, you can click on this link and share the feedback for this session. And then, Pooja has shared the playlist also. So this is the playlist. Is this your playlist or my playlist? I don't know. Is it yours or mine, Pooja?
Ma'am, this is the playlist of this sessions. I will be uploading these sessions in this playlist.
Okay, the sessions are getting recorded?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, guys.
And
If you
this will be uploaded within 48 hours maximum.
Okay, guys, if you want to go back and watch this session, you can. So today we didn't cover it a lot because we had a lot of questions. Next time onwards, we'll cover more, and you can go back and watch the sessions, and you should give the feedback at the end of this session. We have run over time, guys. So time is kind of over. Do you have any questions before I go? Yes, Nitesh, you can. Please.
मैम आपकी ड्रीम कंपनी कौन सी?
Sorry?
मैम आपकी ड्रीम योर कंपनी में?
Nitesh, आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Can you write it in the chat box what your question is? Okay, guys.
Actually, he is asking in which company currently you are working in.
Oh, okay. I am not working in a company, guys. I'm a freelancer. I'm a freelance trainer. I'm a khuli chidiya. So basically, I can work with anyone. So I have worked with Sunstone many times. I think this is the 3rd workshop that I've taken for Sunstone, 3rd or 4th. So I work with Sunstone also. I work with corporates also. So I work with multiple companies. At this time, I'm working with 3 different companies because I'm a freelancer. So I don't have one company. I don't have a job actually. I'm jobless, unemployed. पैसे दे दो guys. ठीक है? So you're welcome. Okay, guys. Any other questions before I end the session?
Ma'am, attendance.
Pooja will answer that. Pooja, attendance का क्या scene है?
Ma'am, it will be automatically recorded in the Zoom.
ठीक है. Yes, Rajesh. I am self-employed and I'm a freelancer. I work sometimes. When I get work, I work. And when I don't get work, I'm unemployed. So self-employed. Yes, I'm a freelancer and self-employed. Guys, time is over. I have to end the session. Any more questions? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Attendance will be automatically marked. तौसीफ कह रहा है आपकी जॉब मैं खा जाऊंगा. पहले बताओ फ्रीलांस कहाँ से करे? फ्रीलांस अपने आप हो जाता है. तौसीफ, you start on your own. I can't tell you how. I'll tell you another time how I started my career, but it's chance की बात होती है. If you get an opportunity, you start freelancing. मेरे पास नहीं है वो opportunity देने के लिए. So ठीक है guys, I will let you go for now. ठीक है. Today we wasted a lot of time asking these questions, but I never want to discourage you to ask questions. I never want to say don't ask me questions. I will always say yes, Tasi. So I will always say ask as many questions as you like. जो question पूछना है पूछ लो at any time. I will always answer your questions, but we also have to cover the topic. So next time say save your questions till the end. अब देखो Rajesh is sending me a secret message, but I will tell everyone. Yeah. Yes. देखो guys, Rajesh is sending me a secret message. He's saying if you want an assistant, I am ready, but I will tell everyone. No point of sending me secret messages because I'll tell everyone. Okay, guys, I will let you go for now. We learned very little, but I hope you learned something in today's session. Next time onwards, you will learn more. We'll cover the entire interview process and the preparation. You're welcome, Manjar. Okay, guys, have a good night. Manpreet ko sona hai. Jaane dete hain Manpreet ko. ठीक है? You have a good night, guys. I will see you on Thursday. Feedback form link is in the chat box. And please attend the session on Thursday. Please keep your cameras on. Inform your friends that they have to keep the camera on. And also keep some time free on Saturday. Same time, 6:45 to 8:15. We'll meet even on Saturday. Okay, guys? See you in the next session. Bye-bye.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, ma'am.
Fill the feedback form, guys. Bye-bye.
Good night, all.
Good night.
Good night, everyone.
Good night. Pooja, you can end the session.
Good night. Bye bye.
Oh, I think I will end the session. Bye-bye, guys.